tomato vinaigrette. Let's look at the ingredients. Half cup chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, half teaspoon dry basil, half teaspoon dry thyme, half teaspoon ground mustard. Let's go make this recipe. Let's go start with half cup chopped tomato, half teaspoon dry thyme, half teaspoon dry basil, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, and half teaspoon ground mustard. Now we blend all these ingredients. Let's go see. Okay, and your tomato vinaigrette dressing is ready. And don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel for more great recipe. Bye! See you next week!